started? Alright. Send in the link and then I'm going to ping at everyone. I'll still my camera shortly. And check where we are right now. Maybe 7 below. So we're in 1 bar right now. Can you hear me? Oh, stop one.
Right, I'm asking.
One and a half mute. Mute. Hello guys, Try, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I got nervous as well. Oh, right here, up ahead. Keep it, follow the ambulance. He's going the right way. Hello guys, can you hear me? Oh shoot, sorry, wasn't on speaker. Now can you hear me? Right. So I'm going in like spots with bad connection. Alright, I'm gonna do the add everyone ping and I'm gonna share it on Twitter as well. Oh, the sun's starting to come, or like it's starting to get lighter out outside. We're near sunrise. Let me ping out everyone. Alright, posted it on. Last time just posted on Twitter. Chasing Hurricane Idalia. Alright, and now I want you to see if you can show my camera when I pull it up. Here we go, can you pull it up on stream? And then have it showing Lake City, Florida. It shows that right on the bottom right. Don't forget the hotkeys. So see, it's light rain, and this light rain is from the outer bands of the system. And the light rain is what basically happens with these systems when you get this heavy rain or heavy wind from the storm. We'll get these light rain, but heavy wind with it. And they have been getting heavy gusts earlier, but now the trees are blocking it for us. And we're also outpacing the storm. But yeah, can you pull up, or can you share your screen? Oh wait, no, actually. Oh yeah. Share your screen. Yeah. Share your screen so I can see it. Make sure your Discord isn't showing when you pull up the screen share. What screen is good? I think it's working. It's starting to. Yeah, keep in mind I'm going to be going in and out. Did it freeze again? There we go. But Ryan, can you screen share your whole entire screen? Right. Perfect. There you go. Now I can see the radar you're looking at and stuff like that. Pull up the Discord like you were doing. Yep, there you go. Right. Can you pull up radar imagery of it? Do you have Radar Scope Pro? Alright, that's fine. Zoom in between Lake City and you'll see Lake City. Lake City's in the outer bands. 4 more miles. Yeah, in between Lake City and Live Oak. Yeah. We're getting the outer bands of it right now. But now we're actually in the clearing. If you pull up our stream, we're now in the clear spot, I believe. And then this is our break in the pull up my screen share. Yeah, you'll see it's not raining anymore right now, and that's due to us being in the first break of the since there's a little bit of a gap in between the outer bands and the wind field, the inner core of it. And that's what's going on right now. It looks like there's an eyewall replacement cycle beginning, and it seemed like it would do that from the beginning. As in, it doesn't have a good core anymore. Yeah, now it has a massive eye. It can easily fit several cities in that eye, actually, it's looking like. But the hurricane force winds are going to be, it's going to be a tight core, and we're trying to get into that area, which Live Oak should get. It should be a near guarantee that they're going to get it at this point. Can you pull up radar right next to Cedar Key? And then zoom into Cedar Key. Yeah, you'll see that the onshore winds are now getting very, very strong. And it's going to continue as the system moves north. Can you measure how far away the system is from landfall, the center of the storm from landfall? 1.9 miles. It's gonna be at the stoplight.
In the left.
Yeah, right. Right, how far away is it from? Use the measuring tool. Alright. Can you check how many people are watching the stream? I don't know how many it's gonna be. 3 people. Alright, nice. And considering the fact that it's 6:50 a.m. Yeah, but the core is dying out somewhat. I mean, it's undergoing an eyewall replacement cycle right before landfall, which I don't know how well it's going to complete.
I think it's going to complete it, but it's going to cause a larger damage. That's just more dangerous that with eyewall replacement cycles like this.
Yeah, pull up the infrared satellite on stream. And you'll be able to see that eye is now coming back after it diminished. And that's in the upper levels. It's trying to stack it on top of those lower levels on that radar.
Yeah, and if you look at radarscope, there's still a fragment of that what was an eye.
Yeah. Inspected. Check recon in tropical tidbits. What is their pressure that they got? Can you zoom in?
PSV 934. I can get a better.
Right. Alright, so this is the live imagery that we currently have, and we're nearing Live Oak soon. And now the rain seems to be somewhat starting back up again. We're heading north now, and we're heading north, so we're going back into those outer bands. There's some, you could see the clouds. You might be able to just barely see it moving from east to west.
Right now, I
Yeah,
just
no,
have to
yeah,
look
right.
at the road.
So now we're
It's
going
slow
to
lines.
yeah, but on my camera, right. But on my camera, you can kind of see the outer bands. All right. So it seems like it's weakening. It was at 940 something.
Looks like the power is out.
Maybe, yeah. Power may be out where we're at right now. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, it seems like power's out where we're at right now. You can see all the
Getting
leaves.
out of Live Oak is going to be my issue.
Yeah.
Do you understand
Yes.
what I'm saying?
And on my stream, you could see, I mean, there were lights earlier, but none of them were on, and there was a house there. No lights were on either. Traffic lights weren't on. All this light you're seeing is from the car. Oh, we're going in an area with lower connection. Yeah, should curve to the right. See, it's curving to the right. Right.
Hard to see.
Is there any tornado warnings right now?
There's one.
Yes, there is.
Yeah, there's one that expires in like 3 minutes.
Right.
There's another one that also expires in 33 minutes.
There was one
Right,
for
where's that-
Shady,
where's this other
Florida,
one for?
and another one for
There's a tornado warning for
Avon
Highlands
Park.
County,
Oh, yeah, there's lights. There's lights. We're nearing the city. Yep. Here, can you check Live Oak on your radar? Right. Oh, Ocala's?
Yeah.
Ocala's in the tornado warning? Oh. Oh, wow.
I have a
Right, up ahead, you'll need to turn right up ahead. The intersection. At the traffic light then. Right, can you check Live Oak? Live Oak, that's near like where Lake City is. Can you pull it up on your radar? Stream your radar.
Okay, right now. But you're about to get that in a point.
Yeah. We're starting to get the rains once again, just light rain. But we're almost at our stop.
how much for
0.7 miles, then we turn right. It's gonna be interesting. This is a wide open area, which is very good for showing shots and whatnot.
It's gonna be a lot of street lighting.
It's so eerie. It's so eerie seeing early morning. I don't know if you all can tell the clouds on up top, how they're moving. Little white.
Yeah, sun is just starting
It's
to
moving to the left.
Sun's just starting to rise in Florida. You can see those ominous clouds. In the
Yeah.
It's about the inner core of the storm. We'll be approaching that.
Check.
No, this is
No.
And
Almost.
that inner core has winds of about 130 miles per hour, potential high gusts too.
Yeah.
It looks like it will weaken a decent bit
Not there. Up
before
there. Oh yeah. There. Never mind.
into the inner eye wall. It's still gonna pack a decent punch.
There we go. We're at the hotel.
There's that
That's
hotel
good.
I
my
talked
good
about.
part.
Alright guys, hold on. I'm going to turn on my stream.
He's currently parking in his area that we chose out for him. Wait this one out. And other than Idalia, we have some other systems too, like Franklin and Sayola are also pretty powerful storms. I'll pull that up. Here's Hurricane Franklin. That's been weakened for a while. It's still in tropical storm force conditions to Bermuda. We also have 11L, which is expected to improve. We also have 94L, which could become something later this week. And then Sayola, which is an R-Sports 160 miles per hour. GTWC at 155. It's going to pass dangerously close to Hong Kong later this week. On Friday, we also have Haikui, which is going to impact Shanghai. and also 11W, which is also a tropical storm, and it could impact Japan also later this week. Also have 90C, which is expected to not do much, and we also have the remnants of Irwin.
The system has been downgraded to 125 miles an hour just now.
Okay.
I think so, yeah, Idalia.
We have some breaking news.
Right.
Hurricane Idalia
Where's
is
my
weakened
phone?
down to a strong Category 3 hurricane, but
Right.
it's still going to be.
We're now in the outer bands right now.
See the key.
Look how the winds are
areas and
blowing the clouds. Yeah, we're now getting a tropical storm force gust.
Tell me when you will show your screen again.
Right. There we go. Alright, hold on. I'm going to stop it real quick. We're going inside.
We'll wait for him while Other than that, it looks like the eye is trying to pop out once again. Just right before landfall.
And the inside going
It's definitely a little weaker than the other.
Yeah, they can't fly it over land.
Yeah, it's definitely a little weaker compared to the other patches.
Yeah. It's due to an eye wall replacement cycle that's trying to take place, and it will likely fail. It doesn't have enough time to complete it.
It hasn't really been supportive of Category 4 since around like 16. Even before that.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Great. Can you pull up Live Oak now? Oh yeah, and change it to change the text to Live Oak, since that's where we're at right now. Live Oak, Florida. Caps lock. Right. There we go. And then zoom into the area on radar.
you're about to get like the start of the interface. It looks like a pet.
Yeah, this is the outer eye wall that we're about to be getting.
Yeah, the eye might pass just a little west of you.
Yeah, but still the eastern side is. No, though it looks like the western side's gonna be. I mean, the way that's deteriorating, it might be the western side that's the strongest. I don't know.
It looks like it is on radar. That's where all the rain is.
Yeah.
So that's all, and that's where most of what's left of the eye wall is.
Yeah, yeah. So can you measure how far away it is from land right now?
Still about 11 miles.
Right.
So it's still a decent amount of
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
like an hour or two. Here's the zip part again.
Never mind, my mom's getting coffee right now. Just give it a bit.
You'll see it's still around.
So recon, yeah, you'll notice they cannot go over land as it's going to cause lots of turbulence with the system or with the plane. That's why they don't fly in that area.
Vortex data message. 9.6
Alright.
Sky is still closed.
What was it at before? It was at 942 millibars, I believe? 940?
So it's
Alright.
weakened a little. The about 8 nautical miles wide.
And the sidewall replacement cycle is a saving grace for several areas.
Yes, but it'll impact more areas.
Well, yeah. I mean, it's going to impact more areas with less conditions.
14 degrees in the eye. That's the dew point. Five nautical miles from northwest. So 18 statute miles from Tallahassee. What about that? It's looking like the inner is starting to erode. Maybe just shiny a bit. But that western side's still there, so.
Do you want your rain gear?
Not yet. Oh, they have a new. Alright. Nope. I need to be some way for people also to talk. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, we need to be over on that side. Just keep in mind the wind is coming from this direction. Alright, fine. We're gonna get our rain gear on right now. We'll be back shortly. Keep talking about the storm with radar and all that stuff.
Alright. While he gets prepared, we'll look at radar once again. Still looks like pretty powerful storm. That western side is definitely the strongest, but as we said, and even before, the northwest side was the weakest. It barely had hurricane force winds yesterday, but it looks like to be the opposite today, as that's all where this precipitation is, as everything over here it looks pretty barren, and possibly because of that Iowa replacement cycle. So we're going to have landfall in about half an hour
I've been to places
when the
in
team
this
will call
world
it.
that are
We have a couple other tornado warnings.
When do you think we will get other conditions? Here's the exit. And when do you think we'll start getting the conditions?
that world I knew falls a
He's
little bit more away from my past.
so
Life envelops my wounds with hope.
yeah. Other than that, we also have
It tries,
eye imagery, which is showing
but
that
I'll never.
Idalia is trying to form an eye, maybe not soon. You ever seen that video? We have a couple of bursts last
hold on
minute.
now. I'm going to show some of the imagery.
So would have really big impacts. And with the motion of the storm, this is all going to be pushing the surge and winds all the way through to the key. That's going to be flooded over.
Right, guys. Now, you
My
pull up my
grandfather
stream.
Alright, we have
share.
chase back.
shot down.
This is so cool. You'll be able to notice the clouds and how fast they're moving.
70 years after
Wow.
that.
You can be able to see that, and that's because that is on.
2004.
Right now, we're facing the south. I believe. Yeah, we're facing the south.
It's moving pretty fast. It's about
I'm going to
60
take a video of it real
miles
quick.
The storm's moving fast indeed, 16 miles per hour, about that.
Father's land.
Hold on, I need to be right back. I'm going to join right back. I just need to take a video of this.
Still a pretty steady storm, I Cedar Key, Horseshoe Beach, and Steinhead Keys gonna
And shroud
get
lines
the front side of the
were all
storm.
tangled up in the wreckage,
So that's
and
gonna have up to
started
12 to
pulling on the
16 feet
and the parachute
of storm
was burnt.
surge. And we also have a flooding threat too.
Somebody was
I believe
struggling
there's
to
a
get out
moderate
and
risk
didn't make it.
of that. But look at the NEC
Our plowing
website.
guy
Yep,
Joe
we do
stuck
have
his hand in he
a
brought
moderate
out
risk,
a-
at least
what I thought was a
40%
stick or a
of
pipe or
excessive
something,
rainfall.
and I saw it,
And this continues
and,
through
you know, I
about
knew immediately
Friday
it was a human
when it
tibia.
exits North
And,
Carolina.
Alright, I am back.
There is a potential for flash flooding too.
I
Chase
really
that
started connecting, you know, aluminum, bone, families.
He had
So
been
here's
looking for
that
that aircraft
excessive
for
rainfall.
10 years at that point.
Pretty big
There was
swath
another
of moderate
couple
risk
years
right
Yeah,
now.
and there's a moderate risk for the next 2 days.
Before
One in the like it extends all the way from Tallahassee to
About
the North Carolina.
so there's gonna be
my father was
about
originally on that plane, and
6 to 10 inches
lost
of
his
rain.
life,
Could be 6 to 4 in a lot of areas.
Okay, you'll see how fast the trees are shaking now.
We have Chase back.
So we are trying to once again get tropical storm force gusts. We're not in the sustained region yet. Sustained is when they're all going to be constantly be swaying.
Yeah, we're on the water right now. We're over the
Yeah, but it's so cool seeing the outer storm circle around us.
Yeah.
He's intense. He's all business.
Like, you're gonna have to get
Hey, hold on. Give me a moment.
amplified soon though.
and we took him down to 7. That could be consistent.
Just now you're getting
with
the
cool.
blunt of the impact.
Every day you go out, you kind of think, yeah, today's the day we're going to find a plane.
The greatest amount of evidence suggests that it's all in the southeast part of Malakal Harbor.
Still, SMMI is
Alright, hold on. We're going to be putting on our rain gear, then we'll be outside.
There's still
In the area that
couple
we're
of
going
miles
into,
about
it's a tricky
50,
place
60
because there are many
miles per
coral
hour
heads.
just offshore.
Sometimes
So it's
the visibility is
125.
really poor.
You can't see it for some reason.
You're going to
I'll
be
pull it
doing
up
a
on
lot of grid searches and searches along cliffs and around coral heads. With the
So
sure
here,
knowledge
see
that you're going
these
to look in places where
70 and
there's
60
nothing,
miles per hour. With 70, 60 not SFMI.
you're bound to
so.
have a lot of failure
Still about
along the way.
hurricane force
Failure is
winds there.
something
We have
you
95
learn to
knot
live
flight
with.
level. So call it well to
Failure
the
actually
surface, too.
is a pathway to success if you can
So we do
persevere.
have hurricane force winds just offshore.
There were over 200 aircraft
Big Bend,
shot
Florida.
down in Palau in World War II. So where are they? That's the question. Where are they?
So there's that measurement right there. See a little spike up. Sitting around 65 knots, moving around 95 knots too. So
my grandfather
the
says
worst of
it
the
was something
storm
that we did not talk
is about to
about
make
because
landfall.
it was just such a taboo, untouchable
So if we
subject.
go back to radar scope, we do see that big
And I think
swath
with a lot of families, there's
of where we did have
always
the
rumors, stories, people want to grasp on what they
hurricane
can.
force winds. Is around, I would
Maybe
say,
he's still alive somewhere. Maybe he didn't want to come back. Maybe he couldn't come back.
somewhere,
My father
if I
was
draw
only about
into
2
the-
years old. kinda grew
somewhere
up with all
around
those
right
questions.
here is where the hurricane force winds are.
It took
from
all
Mekong.
those years for
But this is still going to be
my father's
one
questions
of
to be
the
answered.
strongest. This western swath, as everyone has said.
And the first time I met the bent prop crew was in 2009
Contrary to
at
yesterday.
my grandfather's funeral. The team members all showed
Looks
up
like
from around the
Perry's
country, spending
About to get some of the
their own
island.
time, their
and
own money to come out to a memorial service for someone that they had no
also
connection to
Mayo
whatsoever.
too, which might get
I could not figure out exactly
just a
what
little
these
bit of the
people were all
inner
about. For a while, I kept racking my brain and thinking, okay, how do I thank these people for the way that they've changed my father's entire perception of who he is? And the answer is there isn't a proper way to thank people for that. The only thing that I hope that I could do is join them and hope we can do this for somebody else.
They might have a webcam of Tampa. If I'm able to show you. Yep, I have it. Okay.
I was a skydiver, and I started bent prop through the skydiving community. I was looking for team members, and they were looking for something to do beyond just jumping out of airplanes.
1944, a 20-year-old George Bush attacked a Japanese boat, sending it to the bottom of the ocean.
Here's the kind of weapon for Tampa Bay.
Piloting a torpedo bomber off the aircraft carrier
Hospital for the flooding.
His plane sunk a Japanese trawler in a lagoon
Small
off
ship.
Alright, we're almost ready. I'll let you like within the next couple minutes we'll be ready.
The ship had never been found. We decided to put a team together.
Otherwise, in
to go
Tampa,
find
they're
it.
going to be getting a decent amount of storm surge too. They're going to be getting around 4 to 6 feet of surge, so they'll also be
It's a
decently
strange
affected,
feeling.
and that's very low lying too.
A feeling of connection to the past. It set a sort of a
Still
tone in
that
my mind
12 to
about
16
answering
feet.
questions that had not been answered in regards to World
we'll
War
look at
II.
that.
And after we
So
the
we
ship,
do see
instead
this
of going to
big
the
swath,
pretty dive sites, the blue holes, the
4 to
blue
6
corners,
feet right there.
we hired a guide and
So yeah, we'll go
he
back
said I have this
to realize
piece of
you
aluminum,
see
I don't know
also
what it is. And when I saw it,
you also see this
took
pushing
my breath
motion
away.
too. Being
65
pushed in
foot
from
wing,
around
sitting in shallow
west,
water. I jumped off the boat and I don't know if it was Japanese. And
To just
I
a
found
direct
one
impact.
a turbocharger. There was a little aluminum tag and it
Yeah,
said
otherwise-
General Electric.
Yeah, so basically this
Sure
whole
enough, it
East
was the wing
Coast,
of a
and this whole
B-24
West
that
Coast
shot
right
down.
here, it's going to be severely affected, even down to Key West.
From the time I jumped off the boat to
They're going
get
to
to
get
the
some
wing,
surge too.
my life was never the same. There were over 200 aircraft shot down
No,
over
they don't have
enemy territory
surge
and
now,
lost
but
in Palau.
just a bit ago.
And so I started building
did
up a
have some.
database, a lot like a scientist would when you're starting a new project.
I first met Pat about 1996. Pat was going in a couple of cases by himself to Palau, looking for MIAs.
Oh, there's a wing on the
If we go back to radar, we'll
Pat
see some
really
more
started this 20 plus years
of
ago
that.
on his
Western
own.
Iowa.
His
Start to
technology
appear. Perry's
was
starting to
pretty
get
much a copier and a film camera.
and GPS device. I thought it was sweet.
We're back outside now. I'm going to share my live imagery, and we are now getting the outer bands. Can you pull it up on stream?
Here's his screen.
Yeah, you'll be able to see it. We're now starting to get the rain bands once again. This is, I mean, we're starting to get the outer eyewall kind of thing. I'm going to curve right over here, and you'll be able to notice this is where the wind is coming from. Oh yeah, I can definitely feel it in this area. Woo! All right. Yep, definitely tropical storm gusts right now. See how long this lasts for. And, all right, be right back.
This is the inner, it's still one outside. that was starting to run. But I did have a large one here, but it wasn't able to. I assume it failed. But with that failure, it caused a much lighter rain. And we also have a new tornado warning. There's a nice after the rain.
Alright, I am back in my rain gear. Here we go. I'm going to flip the camera so you can see what I look like. There we go. Got it all ready. Now I'm actually able to walk around in the rain. You'll see power just, power's been on and off recently. I believe power just got shut down for part of this area. Here we go. Getting another big gust. Yeah.
Where did you park your car? In the parking
Oh,
lot?
I'll show you in a moment.
Okay.
We basically parked it in this region.
Okay.
Because we're on the opposite side of the wind. The wind is this way. Alright, I'm going to leave real quick and then I'm going to take a video of this. I'll be right back.
Did have an extreme wind warning earlier. So we've already had some of those. Already reached. Chasing the Americans just a little. But if you guys have any questions, you can put them in the YouTube chat for us to answer if you'd like. The one inside looks a little stronger than before too. Especially that second sign. Still is.
Great, I am back. Here, we are getting very, very strong gusts now. Here we go, we're out in it again. Lots of gusts pushing on the roads. Hard to see. Let me just make sure that's clean. Yeah, and this is like, the gusts are becoming a lot more frequent. You pull up radar. Especially get blown away. So, the towel, please. The small towel is used for that. For the other thing. Has it made landfall? Yes, it has made landfall. Oh, not on radar? Oh, yeah, my bad. My bad. Alright, I'll be back. I am going to record another video, send this to Twitter.
There's a little bit more precipitation. This one's still 9.6 milliwatts.
Oh shoot, sorry, I was muted.
Okay, that's fine.
But yeah, I could feel the wind. I misspoke. I was saying that that it's calmed down, but no, it has not. The gusts continue to pick up. Yes. One. Sending this full. Jim Katori posted. Oh, whoa, right? Once again, getting, yep, very bad winds. Just waiting on them to be sustained winds when they're non-stop. I mean, I could feel like 10 to 20 mile an hour sustained winds, probably, just maybe even getting up to the tropical storm range. Oh, and the power was flickering. Yeah, hold on. Give me one moment. Right, here comes the rain again. Alright, hold on. I need to get a video. Alright. Sorry about that. Alright. Alright, now I'm able to do it sideways, I think. Hold on. There we go. Whoa, right. You have my thing showing, right? And it pushes. Yes, we should be in the tropical storm wind field. Ooh. It's pushing. And there's news companies out here as well, which is quite cool. Ooh, here's another. Oh. There it goes. Just waiting for the power to go out in all these places. McDonald's is surprisingly still open.
Where else are you gonna get breakfast from?
What?
Where else are you gonna get breakfast from?
Oh yeah, it's true.
I'm gonna go back to radar. It looks like it's just about to make landfall.
Yep. Here we go. Oh, there's a bird up there that's flying through these winds. And the shell is still open. There's in Chevron, and the Waffle Houses still has their lights open. One. Alright, so it's looking like landfall is occurring right now?
Yes, it's just about to make landfall.
Yeah, and you'll notice how massive the eye just became. Because it's trying to undergo that eye wall replacement cycle. And so the wind.
Landfall is imminent. We're expecting it in the next minute or so.
The National Hurricane Center should confirm it and make an update on their wind estimate for landfall.
Yep. It looks like recon is leaving this time, so.
Can you zoom into imagery of Live Oak?
Live Oak.
Oh, no.
Okay. Alright, so. Here's Live Oak.
We'll pull up the. Where does it zoom into it real quick? Zoom in all the way. Okay. Right now, zoom out. Yeah. Pull it up on my phone. It has made landfall. See, it has made landfall. It doesn't see. Oh, I guess. It has made landfall. You see it? Where has it made landfall?
So I think we're
Horseshoe Beach is down here. Perry's up here, so it's pretty towards Perry actually. West Coast going to go a little bit to the west up here. It'd be farther away from Lake City. You see where it is here?
We are expected to confirm.
We're 50 miles away from the center.
Is that on radar? We do have landfall.
Alright, can you turn off the music? People don't like it, so.
Infrared also has shown landfall. Radar shown landfall. I think we will call it here that Hurricane Idalia has made landfall near Salem, Florida.
Yep, Ryan, can you turn off the music?
Alright, I'll turn it off.
Can you turn off the music?
Alright.
Yeah, thank you though. Alright, I'm gonna pull up my stream once again. Towel. Alright. We're good.
Alright. Just waiting for the National Hurricane Center to confirm the landfall.
We're getting a lot more winds.
Oh, yep. Chase is starting to get a little bit of water. I'll show the screen right here. It definitely looks like it.
So here comes the. Yeah, they're picking up. There's a car trying to drive. It's having a very difficult time. It's even just standing out here. Here comes heavier rain. Oh. What happened to the thing? Oh, there we go. Wait.
You're fine.
Hey, is it showing on OBS? Like, is
Yeah,
it
it's
streaming
showing.
my
It's
screen?
showing. It's
Right.
showing.
Oh yeah, there. The cars are still out on the road,
Yep.
which is not the time to really be driving. They're going so slow at it as well.
I have some news. The National Hurricane Center has confirmed that Hurricane Idalia has made landfall with winds of
What strength?
125 miles per hour and 949 millibars. NOAA Doppler radar imagery indicate that the eye of Idalia made landfall along the coast near Keaton Beach around 7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
And speaking of that, the National Hurricane Center did a perfect job estimating the peak of 125 miles per hour at the end.
Yep.
Even though it peaked as a Category 4, it made landfall as a 3.
Yeah.
Oh, power just flickering briefly.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there it is again.
Yeah, we'll go back to your screen.
Here, pull up. Right, hold on. So the shell, the mechanical street lights are all connected with this.
Yeah.
Here we go again. The winds.
Yep. There's some of the winds that we're expecting.
That's so frequent now, meaning that the sustained is increasing.
I think it would be about Category 2, Category 1, maybe still Category 2 by the time
Has it as a Category 2.
So here's radar scope. We do see that northern side. That's getting pretty strong too. Yeah, we did initially see
rain
that.
bands.
Yeah, the northern eye, that's pretty weak, but the other one in the new eye, this northern and western side is pretty strong. And Perry's about to get that, and it might impact live oak if it makes, when it makes that eastern turn. And it will make that eastern turn pretty soon. We'll start to make that turn around tomorrow, too. So, here's the cone. We do see a bit of a westward turn